Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Deus Naria, student from Marketing Management Study Program. Want to present result of internship report. Chapter 1, Introduction. Background. To train students to become skilled researchers in applying and implementing the theory, the student learn during lecture into internship. Internship is a compulsory subject that must be taken by Diploma Marketing Management student at FAUNJ, and one of the graduation requirement to obtain an associate expert ahli media degree. The aim and objective of internship. The aim is the first give an overview of the world of work, especially in marketing. And second, studying the activities carried out in the creative marketing division of Energi Karya Indonesia. And the third is implementing the theory learned during lecture during the internship. And the objective, the first, gaining work experience regarding good and correct marketing strategies. And the second, knowing how to attract and determine the target audience quickly and precisely in the creative marketing division of Energi Karya Indonesia. And the last, can apply the theory obtained during lectures to be implemented in the world of work. Is the internship use. The first, for particular, adding insight to the practitioner about the real dynamic of work, especially in the marketing field. And second, train discipline, thoroughness, and practical interaction to enter to work later. And last, add experience and relationship for practitioner. For State University of Jakarta, establish a cooperative relationship between State University of Jakarta and Energi Karya Indonesia. And second, knowing the extent of the practitioner knowledge in applying the knowledge gained during lecture through internship. And last, as a evaluation material, what extent the knowledge provided during lecture is relevant to that used in the internship. And for Energi Karya Indonesia, establish of mutually beneficial cooperation between Energi Karya Indonesia and State University of Jakarta. Can evaluate student performance so that it can be used as a learning in the future when opening vacancies of internship. And the last, help several jobs, creative marketing division. Internship placement, company name is Energi Karya Indonesia. Address is Villa Bogor Indah, Block CC 558, Ciparigi, North Bogor, Bogor City, West Java, 16157. Number 081297357530. Email energikarya.id@gmail.com. Preparation phase. In early August 2021, the practitioner is looking for a company to distribute vendors, and the practitioner gets a WhatsApp message on August 12, 2021 to conduct an interview. On August 23, 2021, the practitioner received news that he was accepted and at the company and start street vendors on September 1, 2021. Implementation phase. Practicing street vendors starting from September 1, 2021 to December 31, 2021. Reporting phase start completing the internship report on December 26, 2021 until finish. Chapter 2, Place of Internship Overview. Company History. October 2019, launching the first project from Energi Karir Indonesia, which is a social environmental activity request from faculty at Universitas Indonesia. It turns out that the project received a good response from the community. Then the ABC formula is academia, business, and community was great. PT Civigrak bersama because with tech focus more on incubating social business or conducting environmental training and is a source of income from Energi Karir Indonesia. An example of environmental training is Envidolab. Organizational structure. Galang Prakasa as founder and Raffi Muhammad as co-founder or PIC Research. Alif Ryan Hidayat as PIC Community and Engagement. Joseph Mario as PIC Visual and Design. Salman Dadira PIC Human Resource. And Nisrana Tira as PIC Partnership. Rafael Safira PIC Creative Marketing, and Dios Naria as Creative Marketing. Company general activities. Energi Karir Indonesia public activity provide a digital platform that contains a discussion room related to social and environmental issue called the Envidolab. The first one is product. A product is anything that can be offered to a market to get attention, so that the product being offered can be purchased. Envidolab sells product in the form of classes related to environmental issue that are problem at this time. Price. Regular class have a price 90, 100%, and discount price 10%, 900,000 rupiah. And promotion. Promos carried out by Envidolab through public relation and advertising by communities or campus organization in Indonesia to become media partners or partners of Envidolab, and using advertising on Instagram to reach a more market. The fourth is place. Vacation or place Envidolab used Zoom meetings from platform as medium for conducting training classes and Instagram digital media with the name is at envidu.lab as a place to market their product. Chapter 3, Internship Implementation. Field of work. The first is create marketing content for Envidolab social media. Include design and caption. Second, create a caption for Energi Karir Indonesia Instagram content. And the last, creating content on Energi Karir Indonesia Twitter. This chart of work to create marketing content for Envidolab social media. The first, doing research for Envidolab content material, and then design content using Adobe Photoshop. If a design have miss or good, I have to revision and then create caption for content Instagram. If mentor accept that, I can post the content. I create content on Envido Lab. I use the AIDA model. AIDA model is a product. Product is initially not known by a public, then do promotion to get potential market attention is awareness. Second, I is interest, which content education, content about material that will be sold in the next class. Example like seberapa bahayakah krisis iklim, and then content desire, which content how consumer can get the product offered. This content is in the form of FAQ or frequently asked question. And the last is action, which content promotion content, which aim to give potential consumer and decide to consume the product offered. And second, create a caption for Energi Karya Indonesia Instagram content. I have a chart of four. The first, finish content from the visual and design division, and then create a caption for Energi Karya Indonesia. And then if caption accept, I can post the content. And the last, create content on Energi Karya Indonesia Twitter. The first, brainstorming from Twitter content and drafting content, creating memes to make content more interesting, and post. Obstacle countered, lack of material to create marketing content. The second, difficulty adapting to create content design and copywriting at the same time. The third is there is no guidance to develop a marketing strategy at the beginning of the internship. And the next, how to face obstacle. The practitioner asks for advice from mentors regarding the problem they are facing. And second, in the second batch, Envido Lab required copywriting to help with practical work. And last, get guidance in determining the right marketing strategy. Chapter 4, conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion. The first is the practitioner knows about the program owned by Energi Karya Indonesia. Practitioner get a lot of new knowledge about digital marketing through Instagram. Practitioner can practice the science of graphic design to create marketing content. Practitioner can practice their skills using Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator application. Practitioner get news insight about the current state of environmental, so that practitioner can care more about the environmental. Suggestion. For particular, the first, it is expect that student will start looking for a place for street vendors one semester before the internship course is implemented. It is hoped that student will better prepare themselves and seek more in-depth information about street vendor. For the State University of Jakarta, it is hoped that the campus should provide direction regarding internship course so that students are not confused when starting internship. And second, it is hoped that the policy that have been give will not change so that practitioners are not confused with campus policies. And for Energi Karir Indonesia, it is hoped the campus should provide nah, that's all for me and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.